and we will also be demonstrating our pizza ovens today as well. Using the stone-based Baccarat gourmet slice pizza oven. Now I am letting the stone base heat up. This is a dual setting pizza oven. You can just heat up the base or heat up the top, or you can heat up both. So I find that while we do this, we let that heat up. We get our pizza base ready as well. And while this heats up, you can put the pizza base on. That gives the pizza base a little bit of extra time to crisp up. Now, what deliciousness shall we put on today? I think we might do a ham, mushroom, cheese pizza. What else do I have in my little box down here? Shredded capsicum. So this is marinated and herb capsicum. So I'm going to let this continue to heat up over here. So the joy of a stone-based pizza oven compared to making your pizza in a conventional oven is the ability for the stone to heat up to 400 degrees. That's what's going to get you a nice crispy pizza base compared to using your oven. Now I'm just going to get some pan ready, get everything ready. So while that's heating up, while you're getting your base all heated up, that is the ideal time to get your pizza ingredients ready. And so while I'm preparing this, you can always pop into the store and have a look around, because we are having a 10% off everything in the store sale for this long weekend. So to me, it's a great weekend to just revamp the kitchen, revamp the appliances, get rid of the old chipped glasses, the mismatched plates, things that we always say we're going to donate to charity that we never do. Come on in and check out House today. It's 10% off in store, and we are doing our car park clearance sale as well. So I'm demonstrating the pizza ovens today and the air fryers. So they all have a specially reduced price. Now I have to remember I've got basil here as well to put on the pizza. So let me grab my knife. So I did give this a clean. So in about 10 minutes I'll have some pizza ready, my friends. Now I have one of these pizza ovens, and I absolutely love it. We used to have a Friday night tradition of getting an evening pizza each, and it used to cost about $40 for 2 pizzas. Now, when I got the pizza oven, I just thought it was going to be fun to make my own pizzas, and I could put on as much cheese as I wanted to. But what I've noticed is the savings and the dual use of the ingredients. So you can spend $40 on ingredients for your pizza, but obviously you're not going to use all those ingredients. I'm just going to chop up some ham here as well. So you buy a thing of ham, you use some ham for your pizza, but then you have leftover ham for toasties. You buy some cherry tomatoes to put on your pizza, then you have tomatoes left over for your salad. So, like even the pasta sauce that we use on the base, we can then use for when we're making pasta. So, there's actually a huge value add that many people don't consider when they decide to. So I'm just adding on the sauce now. So while I'm putting on the ingredients, this is when I go over to the settings and I move it over to dual on the top. So what that means is, over on the settings here, this is the pizza oven. is that the top element is starting to heat up. So when I close the lid, will actually all be ready to start heating the top ingredients of the pizza as well. So spreading out the sauce, and once again, you know, if you don't like the sauce all the way to the edge, don't put it all the way to the edge. If you like the sauce on your pizza all the way to the edge of the crust, you get to do it. So that is the joy of doing your own pizzas. So we've got the sauce on. The top element is starting to heat up here as well. Now I've got heaps of mushroom that I'm going to add. I've finely chopped it. Some people prefer more of a bigger chunk. That is entirely up to you, how you like your pizza. So get all of that on there. We don't want to waste any. There we go. Now we're going to get some ham on there. I might just chop that up a little bit more. Just a little bit of ham there. Spread that around. A little bit of ham. So we've got ham, we've got mushroom. There we are. I'm going to pop some capsicum. There we go. So this has been marinated, so it's got nice flavour to it. You can put fresh capsicum on as well if you prefer to cut your own capsicum up. So it's got the flavoured oil. I'm just going to let some of that splash onto the pizza as well. There we go. Now it is a warm day down here at DFO, so my cheeks are a little bit pink while I cook. And I'm okay with that. Now, I don't want to contaminate my cheese with oil, so I'm going to change my gloves off. Now, I have here a pizza blend, so it's a shredded pizza blend. So get the cheese on. I also have mozzarella cheese to add as well. So you get that nice little stretchy, fun part of eating pizza, stretchy mozzarella cheese. And a little bit of cheese. So I'm not going to go too crazy with the cheese on this one. And I'll just finely chop that. A little bit of basil goes a long way. I'm a huge fan of basil. Oh, if only you could smell it though watching the video. Those last of those little bits of toppings on the chopping board. Around. Now with the pizza ovens, they're anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes, so I'm just going to close the lid and we'll be back.